Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Pretty in Pink. So I was at the Dollar Tree and I saw these little mini Christmas trees, so I had a crazy idea. What would happen if I stacked a bunch of mini Christmas trees on top of one another? Could I get a regular size Christmas tree? That's what we're going to test out today. So I have my 6 Christmas trees. I also have these little silver ornaments. I'm also going to show you guys the lights I got. I got 2 boxes of lights. They're each 5 feet. I also have this little star. It's a random star that I found that I'm going to use to top the tree. I also got this little reindeer that I thought was really cool, which I'm going to do a video soon on that. I'm going to change that reindeer up. And then I got just a ton of tinsel, just a ton of random tinsel, unlabeled tinsel. On top of that, I also have this floral tape. It's like green sticky tape that they usually use to wrap flowers, like wrap flower stems. I have my hot glue sticks and I have my hot glue gun, which is warming right there. So everything that I'm using in this video today is from the Dollar Tree. I think it totals out to about $20 if you add the decorations, but without the decorations it's like $7 to make the tree or to get the 6 trees. So let's get started. So right here, I just want to show you what the base of each tree looks like. And so at the base of each tree, you have little notches for you to put the feet for the tree so it can stand up. So now we're only going to use the first base for this tree because it's the very bottom. For the other trees, we're going to be removing the bases, and I'll show you that later. Right now, I'm just showing you how to click in the feet for the base of the tree. And now here I'm just showing you how tall one tree is so that you have a reference of how small they are, which is why I was like, oh, I'm gonna need 6 trees for this experiment. So now I'm showing you how we're going to take off the bottoms of the other trees because we don't need those bottoms on since we're going to be gluing those trees to the tops of other trees. We only need the bottom on for the base. The rest of the trees we can just remove it. Here I'm demonstrating how we're going to glue the trees to one another. So what I'm showing you here is that I'm going to be sliding the pole downwards on top of whatever tree it's going to be stacked on top of, and I'm going to glue it to that topmost branch there. But later on I'll show you that I actually found a better way to glue it. So right now I'm just giving you a general idea. So we are going to use hot glue to glue them together, and then for reinforcement we're going to use the floral tape around it, since the floral tape will kind of disappear because it's green. So this is when I realized that there was a little pole part within the tree. So now instead of telling you to glue a pole to the top of the tree, you're just going to glue pole to pole. We're going to glue the poles side by side, just like how I'm showing you right there. And then we're going to reinforce it with the floral tape. So the rest of this section will just be me stacking the trees one on top of the other in order to make it one big tree. Now that all the parts of the tree have been glued on top of one another, we can start fluffing, which is what you see me doing right here. So notice at the beginning when I was fluffing, I just kind of was fluffing it out. Now you can see I'm aiming the branches downward. That just helps it look more like a traditional Christmas tree. You know, if Christmas trees were incredibly scrawny and malnourished like this one. So now you're gonna see me fluff out the bottom of our scrawny little tree, and then I'm gonna show you a full body shot of the tree. Okay, so this is now our full Christmas tree. You can see it's almost my height. Actually, it's about my height. And here you see these are ankle weights I use for working out. I'm putting them at the bottom to kind of anchor the tree. And this kind of helps it to not fall over. Also, something I didn't really show, but you can kind of tell when I'm twisting the tree around. The part that wants to fall, I have it kind of lean against the wall. So it leans towards the wall and it's anchored by the ankle weights. And that's how I kind of combated the tree trying to fall over. Here's me being excited because I managed to weigh down the tree so it won't fall over. So now that our tree is all set up, we can start decorating. So first I have the lights. They were 5 feet each. I do want to mention for the decorations, I bought the decorations when I was only going to do this video idea with 3 trees. Then I realized 3 trees is a little bit too small, like it was too short. And so then I added 3 more trees later on. But when I added the 3 more trees, I didn't buy more decorations. So the decorations are very, very, very sparse. Maybe if the decorations were a bit more, it could hide the fact that this tree is a bit scrawny. But so the decorations for this tree are very, very sparse. I'm just letting you know right now. So after the lights, you're gonna see me do the tinsel. And then after the tinsel, you're gonna see me do the little ornaments or whatever. I have like 5 ornaments. It looks really sad. Now for these silver ornaments, I had to tie the strings for them, so I did that off camera. And so now you can just see me hanging the silver ornaments. After the silver, I think you'll see me hang the reindeer, and then you'll see me put on the star. So this star was obviously not meant to be atop a Christmas tree, so I just snapped the bottom, and then that straight part, I just stuck it into one of the gaps in the tree so that it would stay put. And that's how I put my star. And so after this, the tree will be finished. It's very scrawny, it's very malnourished, but it was very enjoyable to do, very fun. I'm gonna give you 2 shots now, one of the tree with lights on and one with the tree with lights off. I'm definitely gonna revisit this tree, so please expect a part 2. If you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, please give me a like and subscribe. Bye!